Now let's talk about engines. The Sportage comes with a range of petrol and diesel engines, all of which are both powerful and efficient. Whether you're cruising on the motorway or navigating city streets, the Sportage delivers a smooth and responsive drive. And for those who are environmentally conscious, there's also a hybrid version available for you, so you can save the planet and your wallet at the same time. Section 5. Safety first. Your guardian on the road. Safety is paramount these days, and the Sportage doesn't disappoint. It's packed with a suite of advanced safety features designed to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. These include autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. With all these safety features, you can rest assured that you're in safe hands. Section 6. Trim levels, something for everyone. The Sportage comes in a variety of trim levels, each offering a different level of features and equipment. Whether you're after a basic model or a fully loaded top-of-the-range version, there's a Sportage to suit every need and budget. You can choose from the sporty GT line, the luxurious Platinum, or the rugged X line, which is perfect for those who like to venture off the beaten track. Section 7. The Kia Sportage experience, more than just a car. But the Sportage is more than just a car, it's a statement, it's a way of life. It's a vehicle that says, I've arrived. It's perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants a stylish, practical, and affordable SUV. With its bold design, impressive technology, and commitment to safety, the Sportage is a game-changer in the world of SUVs. Section 8. Conclusion. Embark on your next adventure. So what are you waiting for? Head down to your local Kia dealer and take the new Sportage for a spin. You won't be disappointed, the open road awaits.